There will be days when you wonder if you've missed your chance. Days when you feel like the opportunities have slipped through your fingers like sand in an hourglass. You might look back and see a series of what-ifs and could-have-beens, and it can be overwhelming. When the world tells you, you're too old, too late, too far behind, it's easy to believe those voices, to let them echo in your mind and drown out your dreams. Society often sets arbitrary timelines for success, making you feel like you're racing against a clock that's always ticking. But here's the truth. The clock doesn't decide your worth. The past doesn't define your potential. Your journey is unique, and it unfolds at its own pace. Every step you've taken, every experience you've had has prepared you for this moment. Dreams don't expire, they wait. For the moment you choose to chase them. They are patient, lingering in the corners of your heart, ready to be brought to life whenever you are ready to pursue them. You're not too late. You're just in time. In time to start anew, to embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. Every moment is a fresh beginning, a chance to rewrite your story. In time to rise, to rebuild, to become, to transform your setbacks into comebacks, your doubts into determination. This is your time to shine, to show the world and yourself what you are truly capable of. You are not your failures, you are not your regrets, you are the sum of your resilience, your courage, and your dreams. Every tear shed, every burden carried has only made you stronger. You are every sunrise that still waits for your light. Every dawn brings a new opportunity to shine, to illuminate the world with your unique brilliance. So write the book, take the class, say yes to the opportunity, say yes to you, embrace the journey with open arms, knowing that every step forward is a step towards your true self. Because it is never, pause, softer, never too late to be what you might have been. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is the one you set for yourself. This is your beginning, not your end. Every ending is just a new beginning in disguise, a chance to start fresh and pursue your passions with renewed vigor. Start where you are. Use what you have. Become who you were always meant to be. The tools you need are already within you, waiting to be discovered and utilized. You are not done yet. Your story is still being written. Every page turned is a new chapter filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Subscribe to Power of Positive on YouTube and let the journey begin. Join a community of dreamers and doers, and together let's make every moment count.